And now we've got triangle. Tritone, okay? So I can change the sound of this electrical signal, how it is processed, okay? Now, check this out. Let me just pick a regular one. Where's the basic sine wave? I'm just going to do a saw here, right? So this is my oscillator. And then we send it into something called the envelope filter. You know how you lick an envelope? That's how you spell it, an envelope filter. What's that? Pass that over there. Thank you. Now, an envelope filter is made up of these principles, okay? ADSR. Does anyone know what ADSR stands for?
Oh, yeah.
ADSR. ADSR.